Om Shanti, good morning. Welcome to your 284th day of a godly blessing. What does Baba have to say in today's blessing? We'll check that out. But especially, Baba wants to point out a difference between doing sadhana and depending upon sadhans. So, what exactly is that? Things means sadhan. Even this object in front of me, this camera, this mobile phone, is also a sadhan, is an instrument. But if I become too dependent upon it, then my sadhana, or let's say my endeavor or meditation, will get affected. We'll check that out. How? Baba says, may you become an embodiment of success by making spiritual endeavor sadhana your foundation while using the facilities. Facilities are what? Sadhans. So we'll get into the details. When you see an attractive scene of the old world, what all can come in the attractive scene of the old world? Things, equipments, things which we collect for a house. If I have this thing, then it will be good. If I make the frame of Supreme Godfather nice, it will be good. If I make a nice frame, if I make it more beautiful, if I put some lights on it, then I'll be able to meditate on it. Or if I have put a nice chair, comfortable chair, I'll be comfortable and meditate. I need a nice warm room, only then I can focus on meditation, for which I need lighting, for which I need heater. All those things become what? Instruments or facilities. On the basis of these facilities, if I'm basing my meditation or my spiritual journey, then I cannot go ahead in life, in spirituality. Then the peace which I'm looking for will come a little later, when I'll understand that I don't need to depend upon these sadhans or facilities to have peace in my life or have happiness in my life or comfort in my life. So let's go ahead. When you see an attractive scene of the old world, or when you see anything and use the facilities of temporary happiness, you become influenced by those facilities. You become too dependent upon those facilities. Even the bed and the warmth of the bed with the quilt, which doesn't allow us to wake up in the morning for meditation, is also a facility, but we become too dependent upon that. So God says, spiritual endeavor based on the support of those facilities is like a building. Let's say you get up in the morning and you say, it's too cold, I better be in the quilt and meditate. And after a few minutes, you are sleeping. So an endeavor based upon those facilities is not going to last longer. You sleep off and then you wake up after an hour or so and you're like, did I do my meditation? What happened to me? Did I sleep off? Yes, exactly. That facility which we became too dependent upon made us sleep off. So God says, spiritual endeavor based on the support of those facilities is like a building with a foundation of sand. Therefore, let your imperishable spiritual endeavor not be based on any perishable facilities. The facilities are in name, whereas spiritual endeavor is the basis of construction. So those facilities which we get are just for the name's sake. They're used for a certain period of time, but if you become too dependent upon them, then they are like that sand, and the foundation based upon that is not going to be strong. That means if you depend upon the perfect timing, perfect weather or comfort of anything for doing a spiritual endeavor, that when I have this facility, then I'll be able to meditate better, then that spiritual endeavor will never happen, because we have made that facility higher than our purpose. So that facility might come, go, and we'll get bogged down by it, we'll get frustrated or irritated by it, and that itself will become the reason for not going ahead in spiritual endeavor. So let's not be dependent upon anything in our life and give any kind of reasons for not being able to meditate, not being able to read the spiritual learnings on a daily basis, not being able to move ahead in spirituality or anything else in life per se. Then Baba says, so therefore give importance to your spiritual endeavor and it will enable you to achieve success. So focus not on the facilities but on the spiritual endeavor. And God says that when you focus on the spiritual endeavor, automatically the facilities come for your comfort. They come to make you progress further ahead in spirituality. But if you depend upon your comforts more, then spiritual endeavor becomes less. automatically those comforts, they start pricking you, or the comforts don't let you move ahead in life. Because who's higher, the spirit, the soul, or the comforts or the five elemental things? And if your relationship with those five elemental things is dependent, not independent, like a person, when a person is independent, then the person is less cribbing, person is less complaining. Because when you're dependent on somebody and somebody doesn't work as per you, somebody doesn't listen to you, you automatically become somebody who's always complaining or cribbing. Similarly, if this light doesn't work, this phone doesn't work, I can be complaining and cribbing about it, right? But if I find other methods that my focus is there, I have to record, I have to meditate, then these lights, these things don't actually come in between my endeavor and my growth. That's what Baba wants us to become like. Not complain, but become complete. So how do you do that? You can learn it at Brahma Kumari's Godly Spiritual University for free and move ahead towards peace and happiness, permanent happiness. Have a blessed day. Om Shanti.